Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it. It's that kid. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? How you been? I've been, MIA for a little second, but I'm back now, okay? And we're gonna get into a U-part wig install. I have my hair partially braided already. I actually am in the middle of filming another tutorial, so kind of ignore that. Y'all not supposed to see that shit. However, I have a lot of hair out up top, and this is what we're going to use for our leave out for our U part. So before we get too far into the tea, I'm going to slide the wig on just a little bit so I can get an idea of how much hair I need to leave out. I love U parts and V parts because I'm a sew-in girl. I have always been a sew-in girl, okay? I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. And essentially it's a clip-on sew-in, which saves you so much time, and depending on how you install it, it can be really beneficial for your hair as well, because having that cotton thread sliding through your hair all the time is not the best, you know what I mean? So a good V-part, U-part installing never hurt nobody. And now that I have my leave out sectioned out and out of the way, we can go ahead and get into the install. This is the wig. The curls are so cute. They're juicy, plump, delicious, if you will. And I was obsessed with this wig right out of the box. Like, all jokes aside, the curl pattern is really pretty and it's super full. I believe this wig is 250% density, so it's like a sew-in with like 4 bundles. She is giving thick and luscious, okay? So excited. So excited! So excited! This wig is from Dorsanee Hair. They're sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this wig. It's the curly textured U part in 20 inches and 250% density. And I'm just trying her on one more again before we go ahead and actually like install the wig. I'm a measure twice kind of girl. Like, sue me, okay? I'm leaving out a little bit of my edges for this install, but I'm not going too crazy. I want just enough so if the wind blows, my business is not in the streets, but I'm not trying to have like enough to do a ponytail, if you get my drift. You know what I mean? A nice healthy amount of edges, that's it. And for the rest of the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and braid it up so that it's out of the way. I'm parting it down along the edges first. I'm gonna braid that all the way down, and then I'm gonna braid the hair along the part going straight back. I love when my hair is partially braided because I get to switch up my hairstyles a lot. Like if I want to wear a U part to the deep, if I want to wear a deep side U part, if I want to wear a middle U part, a middle V part, if I want to braid all the extra hair up and put on a frontal, I have those options without having to start from scratch every time. So having your hair partially braided if you're a switch your hair up girly is the cheat code. And I'm just crocheting the end of those braids into the hair in the back to kind of get everything nice and flat and out of the way. I don't want a lot of loose ends, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And this is what she's given so far. I'm gonna go ahead and section out pieces of my edges so I can give them a little curl. And this makes your baby hair so much easier to do later. They kind of lay down a little bit easier. Are y'all still on the soft baby hair wave too, or is it just me? Because I'm biting my finger. You can't see me, but I'm biting my finger. I'm getting heat damage, I fear, okay? I'm not mad at it because it's only my edges and it kind of like relaxes them a little bit. And let's be honest, I do my baby hairs all the time, so I'm not mad at it, but I'm aware that it's toxic. I'm just not ready to do nothing about it right now, okay? So to blend my leave out, I'm going in first with my 1-inch Babyliss flat iron and just kind of straighten it out a little bit. This hair is super silky. It's not like a kinky curly texture at all, so I want to silken my hair out as much as possible so that the texture blends with the extensions. If it was like a kinky curly texture, I would honestly just go in straight with my curler or wet it to blend it, but my hair ain't never gave this loose of a curl, honey. We about to have to do a little manipulation to get it to match. So to finish styling the hair, first I'm going in with my scissors and kind of getting the idea of the cut. I'm making the bottom super blunt, kind of just grabbing little sections and cutting it curly because you want to know how it's going to fall while you're wearing it. So straightening it out and then curling it ain't really going to do you much good, honey. So once I have the bottom nice and even, I'm parting out a section from the top of my head to just behind my ear and slide cutting it to add some layers. And I'm telling you right now, sis, adding layers to your hair, whether it's straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, it just makes it look so much more polished, so much more finished. Not even layers, I'll say a cut, because even a good blunt cut makes a statement. But cut that damn hair, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell y'all essentially. Cut the hair. Install it, cut it, shape it, style it a little bit. Give it a little zhuzh. That's all I'm saying, you know? But hey, who are me to judge? I'm using my small wand curler to blend everything together. I'm grabbing a small section of my own hair, my little leave out situation, and then I'm grabbing a small section of the extension hair and wand curling them together. That way it doesn't look like my hair is just sitting on top. I find that this is the best way to get your extensions to blend, especially when you're like curling it. It just, styling your hair together with the extensions just does something. And it makes it really difficult to tell between the texture of your hair and the extensions, which is what you want. So try it out, let me know what you think. I'm going ahead and separating those curls out and kind of fluffing everything out. And I'm also going in and wand curling small sections on the wig just to make everything a little more seamless and have it to where you can't tell, you know, the wand curls from the natural curls, you know, kind of blending all of the textures together. And then with my edge control, we got to do the big baby hairs. I love a curly middle part with some big baby hairs. I love anything with big baby hairs. Let's keep it a bean, okay? Let's keep it a buck, okay? I tried it there, I did, but just look at it. This is the finished look. It's super pretty. It looks really soft and summery. I had my little summer dress and my curls. I was definitely feeling myself. This wig will be in heavy rotation. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you want to see me sew this wig on because I'm definitely thinking about it. I'm biting my finger again, but y'all can't see me. And I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye, babes.